Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Single English. In this video, I gonna share with you the difference between through and why. Okay, so you have heard about through and why. You can use these prepositions most of time whenever you do conversation. Okay, and whenever you write English in your exam and whenever you want. Okay, so I will give you a clear direction how to use through and why. Okay, so let's see. First of all, our lesson objective is understand the meaning of through and why. Next, how to use them correctly in a sentence. Next, objective is practice with examples and exercises. So in this lesson we will cover all these objects. Okay, so let's start. Before starting this lesson, if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, let's see through. Okay, meaning of through. Through is a preposition. Okay, so you can use through. Through indicates movement from one side to another. Okay, through indicates movement from one side to another. That's it. And it can also refer to completing a process or of a duration of time. There are only two use of through. First use, it indicates movement from one side to another. Next use, it can also refer to completing a process or over duration of time. That's it. Okay, let's see examples. He walked through the tunnel. He walked through the tunnel. Okay, so here he walked through the tunnel. So he is going to one side to another side. Okay, next example here, he worked through the night. He worked through the night. Here night, the night is a duration of time. Okay, duration of time here. Next example here, she learned the lesson through experience. Okay, she learned the lesson through experience. So here completing a process. Okay, so he learned the lesson through experience. After getting experience, he learned the topic. Okay, so here you can easily understand through these examples. Okay, so our first use is of through from one side to another, and next completing a process or duration of time. First example, through, he walked through the tunnel. Example of one side to another side, and we worked through the night. The night means duration of time. Okay, she learned the lesson through experience. Experience is a complete process. Okay, so you understand how to use through. So let's see next see meaning of why. Okay, so meaning of why is used to indicate. Here also three use. Okay, three use. First is the method or means of doing something. Okay, the method or means of doing something. Next, urgent performing of an action. The urgent performing an action. Next, a location near something. A location near something. In these situations, you can use why. Okay, first is the method or means of doing something. Next, as urgent performing of an action, and a location near something. So let's see examples. He traveled by car. He traveled by car. Okay, so here why car is a method here. Is a method here. Okay, so he traveled by car. So car is a method here of traveling. Okay, next, the book was written by Shakespeare. Okay, Shakespeare. Okay, so here is an agent. Okay, agent. The agent performing an action. So here Shakespeare is an agent here. Okay, next, the house is by the river. The house is why the river. So here the river and house, location here. Okay, the river is location here. So you can easily use of why in these three situations. First, whenever something near, and next agent performing action, and third something doing or method. Okay, so here first example, he traveled by car. Car is a method. The book was written by Shakespeare is a agent here, and the house is by the near by the river. Okay, so here river is a location. So guys, you understand when we use through and why. Okay, but in next let's see something different. So through and why is a compilation here. So let's see difference. Movement from one point to another. Through, when we use through, movement something one side or one point to another, in that situation you have to use through. But if I talk about why indicates a method or means. Why indicates a method or means. Okay, next, compilation of a process. Compilation of a process, that situation you have to use through. But shows an agent or doer, shows an agent or doer, you have to use by. Okay, next, refers to time duration. Refers to time duration. For time duration you have to use through. But indicates proximity or near something, you have to use why. Okay, example here, she walked through forest. He walked through the forest. Okay, so here forest, he walked through the forest. So here he go one point to another point, one point to another point. Next, he went by train. He went by train. So train is a method here. Train is a method here. Okay, so here you understand the difference between by and through. Okay, so through means one point to another point, and compilation of a process, and refers to time duration. But if I talk about why indicates a method or means. Next, shows an agent or doer, and indicates proximity, that means near something. Okay, so let's see some examples also. So common mistakes. The book was written through Shakespeare. The book was written through Shakespeare. So here through Shakespeare is wrong, because Shakespeare is an agent here or doer here. So for any agent or doer, you have before any agent or doer you have to use by, not through. Okay. Next, the book was written by Shakespeare. Okay, slide. Okay, incorrect. He went through bus. He went through bus. So through wrong here, because bus is a method here. So you have before method you have to use by. So he went by bus. She entered by the door. She entered by the door. Okay, so door by wrong here, because here one point to another point. She entered one point to another point. Okay, so one point to another point. So you have to use through. You have to use through, not by. So she entered through the door. Okay, so you understand. Let's see next point here. Let's see practices. Okay, so practice exercise here. So here are some questions. So you fill these blanks in a right way. Okay, so let's see. The train passes the tunnel. The train passes the tunnel. Okay, so here what is right? The tunnel. So you can easily understand here train is going to be one point to another point, one point to another point. Okay, so here you have to use through. You have to use through. Next example here. She learned to cook watching videos. Watching videos. So here, what is that? Here, buy. Okay, because if I talk about why for a method, why for a method, agent or doer, okay, and near places, near things. Okay, so in these three situations you can use why. But if I talk about through, one point to another point, okay, one point to another point, and next if I talk about like next compilation of a process, it refers to time duration. Okay, so here watching videos. Okay, so watching videos is a method, or you can also mm, say like any, right? Okay, he lives the lake. He lives the lake. Okay, so what do you use? Lives. He lives the lake. Lake means near something. Okay, so for near something you have to use by. You have to use by. Okay, so they walked the park. They walked the park. Okay, so the park, so walked, so you can easily understand one point to another point, so you have to use through. You have to use through. The poem was written Robert Forrest. Robert Frost. Okay, so Robert Frost is an agent, okay, or doer person. So before any agent or doer person, you have to use by. Okay, you have to use by. So guys, you understand how to use through and by in a sentence correctly. Okay, so I have some summary here. Let's see. Through is used to for movement, compilation, and duration. Okay, through is used to for movement, compilation, and duration. If I talk about by is used to for method, agent, and location. Method, agent, or near location. Okay, or location. Okay, avoid common mistakes by understanding their correct uses. Okay, so guys, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and I will give you reply definitely. So see you in the next video. Bye soon.